In Tampa's climate, a hidden danger thrives inside our homes, one that is widely underestimated. A Sarasota clinic found over 80% of its cognitive decline patients tested positive for dangerous mold. The threat is real. This is about more than memory. We're talking respiratory failure, neurological damage, and immune system collapse. If you have headaches or allergies that improve when you leave your house, that is a major red flag. We will now identify Tampa's worst mold species, find their hiding spots, and show you the mistakes that make it spread. Tampa's environment is a paradise for mold growth. The combination of warmth, rain, and humidity is the perfect recipe. This is not a rare occurrence. Statistics show over half of all homes in Florida will deal with a mold issue at some point. The seeds of this problem, mold spores, are everywhere. They are a constant natural part of the air we breathe. For these spores to colonize, they require a food source, like the paper on drywall, wood, dust, or even carpet. The final ingredient is the trigger: moisture. A small leak, condensation, or high humidity is all it takes to begin. So we have the spores, the food, and the water. But which of these growths are just ugly, and which are silent killers? Let's start with the most infamous, Stachybotrys chartarum, or toxic black mold. What makes this species so hazardous? The answer is mycotoxins. As Stachybotrys digests building materials, it releases these microscopic poisons as a defense. You are not just allergic to the mold. You are being poisoned by its byproducts that can cross the blood-brain barrier. Interestingly, Stachybotrys needs more than just humidity. It requires direct, liquid water contact for over a week to truly flourish. So what makes it so dangerous? It's the mycotoxins it produces after a simple water leak, turning a plumbing issue into a health hazard. But Stachybotrys isn't the only threat. Let's meet the other dangerous species that could be in your home right now. This is Aspergillus. It grows in your HVAC system, spreading carcinogenic aflatoxins through your vents with the AC. Next is Cladosporium. It's a common allergen found on AC units and carpets that causes constant respiratory distress. Then there is Penicillium. Recognizable by its blue-green color, it spreads incredibly fast across any water-damaged material. Finally, Acremonium, a highly toxigenic mold that can infect vital organs and suppress the immune system in vulnerable people. With so many different species, how can you tell them apart? And what do you do when the greatest threats are invisible? Here's the first problem. You cannot trust your eyes. Many less harmful molds appear black but are not toxic. Stachybotrys. The second, bigger problem is that most dangerous mold colonies are not in plain sight. They grow behind walls and under floors. If you can't see it, use your nose. A persistent musty smell is your most reliable clue, caused by gases from a hidden colony. The second clue is your own body. Remember those unexplained symptoms? Brain fog, fatigue. Your body is a sensitive mold detector. And this risk is not equal for everyone. Children, the elderly, and the immunocompromised suffer much more severe consequences. Let's connect these facts. We know toxic molds grow from water damage, but typical reactions to a water stain make it worse. Myth number 1, just spray it with bleach. Bleach is mostly water. On drywall, it only cleans the surface, while its water feeds the roots. Myth number 2, just paint over it. This is one of the worst mistakes. You are trapping moisture and creating a dark terrarium for mold. So these dangerous hidden colonies are often supercharged by these very fixes, letting them pump more toxins into your air. Let's return to the alarming link between mold exposure and cognitive decline. This affects your property and your mind. Since you cannot always see it, visual ID is unreliable, and DIY methods backfire. Guessing is a dangerous game to play. Professionals don't guess. They use moisture meters and thermal cameras to find hidden water sources and take air samples. Your health and your home in Tampa are too valuable to leave to chance. If you smell something or feel unwell, get the facts.